Alright, so what we have here, battery out of a GM vehicle, and obviously this is a Toyota Yaris, and as you can see, the battery terminal, it's far apart and not compatible. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna make this as compatible as possible so that I can use this battery, because this battery is really good. So I have this wire here. So the plan is I'm going to connect this wire here like that and like that. So let's do it. Alright, let's start the car. Okay, everything works. Thank you for watching. If this is helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, so we can make more of this video. Thank you for watching.